30 to 90 days, we'll get your credit clean, guaranteed. No questions asked. 30 to 90 days, we'll remove any derogatory items that's hurting your credit. Here at One Financial Business, we got the trained staff to help you with your credit. Click on the link in the screen, and one of our trained specialists will give you a call and have a complete free consultation. If you decide to do the work with us, we guarantee you that in less than 30 to 90 days, your credit will be completely restored. It does not matter what's in there, whether it's bankruptcy, collections, repos, judgments, and so on, you name it. It's guaranteed to get removed from your credit. Give us a call or click on the link below. Thank you.